Snickerdoodle cookies made with proof Rouge de Bordeaux flour. It's your classic Snickerdoodle flavor, but better. Golden edges, soft centers, and that signature cinnamon sugar sparkle. All right, let's start with the dry ingredients. Add 260 grams of Rouge de Bordeaux flour, then 1.5 teaspoons of cream of tartar, 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda, a half teaspoon of salt, and then you're just gonna whisk everything together until well combined. In a bowl of your stand mixer, you're gonna add 170 grams of softened butter, 200 grams of sugar. Using the paddle attachment, cream the butter and sugar together on medium speed until light and fluffy. It's usually about 2 to 3 minutes. Scrape down the sides of the bowl as needed. You're gonna add 1 whole egg and a teaspoon of vanilla paste, or you can use vanilla extract if you prefer. Add half of the dry ingredients to the butter mixture and mix until just incorporated. Then add the remaining dry ingredients and mix again. Scrape down the sides again as needed, but be careful not to overmix. If any dry bits remain along the bottom or the sides of the bowl, finish mixing gently by hand. I'm using a 1.5 tablespoon scoop for this. You'll portion and roll the dough into individual balls. Place the dough balls on a tray or plate, cover, and refrigerate for at least 60 minutes. For the cinnamon sugar coating, combine 50 grams of sugar with 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. When you're ready to bake, roll each dough ball in the cinnamon sugar mixture until fully coated. Then you're going to place the coated dough balls onto a prepared baking sheet and leave about 2 inches of space between each one. Bake in a preheated 350-degree oven for 10 to 12 minutes until the edges are set and the centers are soft. When they're done baking, you're going to let them cool on a baking sheet for 5 minutes. Then you're going to transfer them over to a wire rack to cool completely. Proof's stone milled flour gives these cookies a distinct flavor and texture. These cookies are crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. You're going to love them. The Rouge de Bordeaux flour adds a slightly nutty, earthy flavor that makes them taste richer and more complex than your everyday Snickerdoodle. They're comforting, nostalgic, with a twist. It's so good, you guys. Gotta try it.